next question on the board. Shalom Torah. Thank you very much for the Shiur question. In order to judge others favorably, would it be permissible to ask him, meaning the person, a question about the topic and evaluate our judgment? Because on previous occasions, the person we must judge has not done things correctly, but evidently is in the process of Teshuvah. Could it be harmful to the person who is trying to do Teshuvah to ask this question?
No, it's
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
That's an amazing question. That's what we need to do. So, many things that we must clarify, right? Clarify, because maybe we learn one way, but it's not actually halacha. What we think is that the person was actually desecrating some things, but he was not. Like example I gave a few days ago about the guy who washes like, and he pours. I'm not sure if I gave it this class or another class. So somebody said he's Rasha. I said, based on what? And they give an example. He does not know even how to wash his hands before the meal. But it's true, like it's Shulchan Aruch says. You put one on the right, one on the left, and you're good basically. So you understand? But because they went to Beis Chabad and they poured 3 times, and they told them you must pour 3 times, that does not mean it's halacha. You understand? And so this person judge other person very unfavorably. Right? They grew up religious, this and that. So I told them absolutely not. So you can always, in this case, so I apologize. I saw you wash your hands like that. Please tell me, is it halacha? Because maybe I'm not that learned, but please explain to me. And this person, if he knew, for example, I hope that he knew, he would explain, yes. You understand? So, and sometimes what we say the sin and or you tell them like, is it halacha? And like in another this situation, another the person, yes, you know what? I was so ashamed when I was thinking about my mother. She's in the hospital, this and that, and my father they divorced, and my brother they're fighting, and all this all of these troubles in the family. And then after I started eating, I realized I did not wash the hands properly. Or I forgot to wash completely. Let's say, right? So it does not make him an evil person that he just disregard Hashem's commandment. So to answer to ask the question, absolutely proper, right? What else?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
Yeah, you're welcome.
So in regards to this question, I was wondering if we tend to be someone that is constantly casting judgments upon people, can we I don't know, explain this unusual behavior to the fact that we're exposed or studying too much Mussar without halacha, perhaps?
No, the opposite. It's opposite action. It's a lot of halacha, but not Mussar. So Mussar is actually it's a teaching. So a person without who learns on Mussar without halacha, he's a wicked person. The one who learns halacha without Mussar, also a wicked person. So only in a balance, in this perfect combination. Why? Because even though you know the halacha, but you don't know how to apply it. You understand, especially with other people, with yourself, with the family. Person can scream at his wife because she did something wrong, but is it whatever she did absolutely forbidden? It's not. Is it lenient opinion that allows it? If there is a lenient opinion that allows, just leave her alone or other people. You understand? So there are like things that you like very important, like spiritual things that you have to stand your ground. Others are not with your family. You have to be, you're allowed to be more lenient and go like not like straightforward rebuke, but go a little roundabout, right? And try to teach them other ways. You understand? So when you the person only wants rebuke. So again, when we rebuke others, it must be constructive purpose. I want to help that person. So if I'm going to direct attack to that person, guess what? I'm not going to achieve this the main purpose to help him. He's not going to listen. It's going to aggravate the situation. Now he's going to do it in my face. Whatever I told him not to do, or I told her not to do, she's going to do it in my face. Did I achieve the goal? Absolutely not. You understand? So in all the situation, we try to help that person, right? If we can talk to somebody or we talk to them, they're going to listen to us. Yeah, for constructive purpose. Like one person asked me, I don't know, a month ago. I know he's not going to listen to me. He'll ask 3 times. I told him what to do, and when I tried to follow up, he said, "Not yet, not yet, not yet." So I'm actually decided to go otherwise. So he told me what he wants to do. I said, yes, but it's not proper. Okay, you have to do this and this. So he said, okay, I think about it. Okay, you do what you want. So after a few follow-ups, he insists on what he wants to do. So just do, and now he asked me the question. I said, who cares? I know that's not what I answer, but you're not going to listen. It's not for constructive purpose. It's not listening to the whole situation from you. It's 100% Lashon Hara. It's like he tells to his brother, to his mother, who not going to change the situation, or he tells it to me. I say, I don't need to listen to it. You go decide what you want to do. If you want to listen to me, what I say 100%. Otherwise, I'm not. It's not about my ego, but it's about Lashon Hara. It's not constructive purpose. Understand? Go tell somebody who you're going to listen. Yeah, they're allowed to. Not only allowed, they're obligated to listen to everything that you said, and based on that, I give you advice. But I'm not one of these people, so don't tell me. Person get a little upset, but you see what happens. Okay.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
I don't know why I thought it was the opposite. Thank you very much.
Yes. Yeah.